Actually, let me start with my intro first because Puneet and Dhirendra, they know me well, but you guys also should know just the brief introduction. My name is Balwant Rawat. I'm a group operation manager here for Food Staff, Food Setup, and Food Enterprises for three company. So I started my career. Actually, I did my hotel management from IHM Meerut, and then I started my career from 2003. So it's almost 18 to 19 years experience. I worked in the hotels. I worked in the cruise lines. Then I'm past almost 14, 15 years. I'm in a restaurant business. So right now I'm taking care of the restaurant business. So almost 10 years right now I'm here in Gulf region. I worked in Saudi Arabia. I worked in Kuwait. I now I'm working in Qatar. So these three countries I worked, which is in the GCC. So I'll start with the now. What is the GCC and how the chances of you guys, those who are very fresh, and how you can come here and what are the job opportunities here. So I will give you the intro about the GCC. This is Gulf Corporation Council actually. So it's a six countries where the Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, and Saudi Arabia and UAE, so which we call Dubai also. So these six countries actually they are integrated like European Union, like Asian countries. So this is like similar, you can say like European Union. So they have one union which they call GCC, Gulf Cooperation Council. Okay, so these are the countries, those culture, language, and these things are similar. They are basically Muslims. They belongs to the Muslim culture. So so they make this corporation to help each other and to grow together as per the economy wise also. So these councils is actually came on the in the shape in January 2008. Okay, now we will talk about the Qatar. Okay, so all mostly these countries are means very good in GDP wise. So Qatar is one of the number one country as per the GDP. So income is very good here, and all the income whoever employs those who are either expert or Qataris nationalities, there is no tax on any goods whether you purchase, whether you earn the salaries. So if you compare to the European nations, so you have to pay the taxes there whatever services you are getting. Okay, so one is the advantage. Second advantage for the Qatar, these countries economy basically dependent on the petrol, diesel, you can say oils means. So and gas. So Qatar has been second largest country to produce the natural gas. So this is the things, and gas is always in high demand. So that's why the economy is very high. So now I will talk about why the Gulf regions is famous among the Asian countries, especially the Asian peoples, those who are looking the job, and your sector. We will emphasize on your sector, which is the hospitality. So employment. See, if we will talk about the population wise, Qataris are those who are the Qataris nationalities. They are only 3,500. It means 3.5 3 lakh 50,000 people total population. And if you see the Indians, those who are expertise and working here in a different sector, let's say doctors, engineers, in a construction sector, hospitality sector, they are only the Indian. I'm talking 14 lakhs. 14 lakhs Indians are here, which is I think three times more than Qataris people. So you can see that the job opportunities are in high demand, not only in the Qatar but the whole Gulf region. because number one, their economy is very good. Second, their population is very low. So that's why the demand is always in high. And third thing, the growth, always they are growing. Since you can say from the 90s, they are always growing because the oil and gas demand is always high. So the market is not means going down. So always they are creating new things. Let's talk means why the demand will grow. So current situation due to the COVID situation, you know, all the market they collapse, but the GCC market, I will talk only the GCC market slowly once the vaccinations program is moving. So almost for the two shot of the dose, they covered almost 70% of the total population of Qatar. So they opened now they allow to open the hotels, restaurants, and even they issue the visas for the workers and family people also. So now the market will take time, at least 3 to 4 months, because by the end of the August they will cover full population to get the vaccinated. Even from the which is the current news, from the September they will allow 6 to 12 years kids also to get vaccinated. So I think there will be a minimal chance to get new waves, or the market will be, you know, lockdown, will face the this kind of situation which we are facing in the India and different parts of the world also. So for the future prospects, like if I see which as per the government decisions, which they are going to open the market, definitely soon they will open the market. Now, so some of the what are the chances means if the market will revive and reopen for the newcomers, those who are to get a job in the market. So because once the COVID came, first wave and second wave, that time the company the company didn't hire a new recruitment, they didn't expand their plans, which were the plan, they hold it, and they didn't make any action on that plan. So now the time has come where some companies they remove the employees also, they minimize their cost, their labor cost and other costs. So now the market is little bit is growing. So the government already in announce, if somebody needs the worker from the foreign land, so they can hire. This is the one thing. Second thing, Qatar has 2022 from the November, the big football event, that is the World Cup football. So all the people from the across the world, they will come to visit the Qatar for this, especially this event. And this event means crowd, especially from the GCC, around 5 6 months before they will travel to see the development of the Qatar. So as per the current situation, 80% of the construction work and all the football stadium, they are ready, good to go. So there is no chance, I will see, to postpone this event. So this event will create a lots of opportunities for, especially in the airline sector, which is related again to the hospitality, the restaurant sectors, and the hotels. So this is the things. So you guys have a chance, because some of you students are, first year, so some of are in the final year, so they can search after a year. I think you have right now, you can check, or after the year, if you have 1 year experience, so you can check the opportunities where you guys are fit to work. So companies, definitely the workers demand will be very high. After this event, the Qatar already win the bit for the 2030 Asian Game. And third thing, for the 2034 for the Olympics, they are again entered to bid on that game also. So if you compare from 2022, the another Asian game which is also a big event. So definitely, if any events comes to the any nations, it attracts to the tourist and of course the tourism also. So new opportunities always comes. So that time the demand of the workers, or you can say the professionals, they hire. Okay. Third, now, this is the brief introductions, means about the Qatar, if you are applying for the Qatar. Okay. Third things, now I will talk, means why experts, means they will hire only the experts. The reason for the experts, first of all, like I said, their population is very less. Second thing, there is no institute or people, the local Qataris, they are not interested to do this kind of job. There is no such kind of institute to train these people. So mostly, if any Qataris they are working in a top position, either CEO or company general manager, like that. So below that level means Indians, Pakistani, or some European, or you can say Nepali, this Asian country region, Philippine, Moroccan, some African countries also peoples are here. So now I will talk about the culture all and the safety of this GCC region. The culture is of GCC mostly the Muslims, but they are not, means like that you heard in the India, you have a prospects, you have your own vision, people are fighting. No, here if you see, if you Google, the crime rate is zero, almost zero. So you can freely walk, you can go here and there. Very good transport system, infrastructure is developed, so there is no issues. So now I will go to the some people, they are interested in the hotels and some they are in the restaurant chains. So the eligibility criteria for the hotels, they are mostly recruiting those people, those who have their means at least 1 to 2 year for the position wise. If I will talk like commie level, let's say in the kitchen or in the front of the house or F&B, if you are applying for the assistant waiter, at least you have similar position on that. Like if you are applying for 5 star or 5 star deluxe hotels, so you have similar kinds of experience. So if you guys had already make up your mind to join a hotel and make a career, then better join a hotel in India and then move to the Gulf region. So, and if you guys have a chance, suppose all of you cannot join, or somehow means you didn't get a chance, but you joined a reputed chain. Let's say example, I will give you some examples of the restaurant chains which are good and reputed in the Indian market. I will talk. So they are mostly looking these people like, you know, Chili, the brand of casual dining like Chili's, TGIF. So these are the brand, means those people are looking, means. So then if you have a chain restaurant experience which is worldwide known, or which is belongs to the country which is already have a good brands, so then definitely they will hire you guys. So there are the sections where you can apply. So if I will talk to the restaurant, there are the section hot range. For the restaurant, either you will work in the salad section, grill section, or fried sections, let's say salad sections. So these are the section or pastry sections. So there are different categories of restaurants. Here you will see fast food, you will see casual dining restaurant, you will see fine dining restaurant, and there are the different cuisines also, like Indian cuisine, Chinese, continental, Turkish, some Turkish also here. So and as well as Japanese. Japanese nowadays is very famous and very high demand also, where the company is paying very high salary compared to the other cuisine. So if you guys have a chance to work in a Japanese cuisine in India, definitely go for that, because this cuisine which I have seen is very popular in the whole Gulf region. And I am handling one brand here which is called Maki. So it is quite famous. So there are other brand also. So this is the things. So, and how you guys can apply for the Gulf region? There are the lots of agencies nowadays, even in the Dehradun, Delhi, Mumbai, they have always demands of the worker as per their experience and knowledge. So if you guys are planning, some of you guys are planning to join in a supervisory or management level, definitely you can get a management trainee. You can get, if you get a management trainee program, accept it, spend your 1 to 2 years, and then move to the country, whether it's related to the Gulf or Europe. So this is the things. So, and third things, if you have a 1 or 2 year experience in the Gulf region, definitely the other doors opens for you guys, because the Gulf region, especially all the restaurant and hotel chains, they are following the similar standards which the Europeans or other very, I mean, you can say the good brands or good chains of the hotels and restaurants are following. That's why if you apply with the Gulf experience to any European countries or uh, in cruise lines, so definitely there are, I would say 90 to 95% chances you will get selected easily, and 100% your CV will be shortlisted, because whatever expectation they have, you guys are going to fulfill. So this is the things as per the career prospects. So this is very important for you guys. The last but not least, hygiene and safety. I know you guys have this always training for the hygiene and related for the safety. So here, whenever you guys are going to join any country, not only the Gulf region or any other countries, you guys must follow. You cannot say that why the rules are changing for the high related to hygiene and safety. So always you have to follow these things with the country wise rules and regulation. You have to well versed definitely whenever you are coming, but they are going to give you a special training for related to the Gulf region, or you can say let's talk about the Qatar. So Qatar have their own municipal corporations every month, or there is a surprise visit also. They have their own checklist. They are going to the checking everywhere, each and every corner of the kitchen and the front of the house. They are asking questions to you guys, which you already trained on that manner. So please guys, don't take it lightly if you are in the region, because this hamper to your reputations and the company reputation also. Sometime company the hardest decision I would say, They can close your contract, they can dismiss your contract, they can send back to you guys. So this is the non-tolerable uh, things for the people. Means if anybody will ignore or play with the hygiene and safety rules here, whether you are working in the restaurant, small or big, doesn't matter. They are visiting all the restaurant, even the local people, those who are going to eat in the local restaurants also, like Indian restaurant, small, they are visiting there. If they found any violations related to the municipal corporation, definitely they close. And after the pandemic situation, they are implementing, because I have an experience of cruise lines. So USPH guidelines similar. They are last 2 years they implemented same in the hotels and restaurants. So they are going to give. They are visiting here the whole teams of the municipal corporation. They are checking each and every corner with the assessment. They are going to give marks, and then they are certifying the restaurants. So this is the Qatar Clean program. Which program? Means certified a restaurant which is means hygiene wise and safety wise for the customer. This is approved restaurant, so people can visit. Otherwise, if they found more violations in the restaurant, they shut down. They completely shut down to the restaurant. And so many restaurant I have seen, or I'm reading in the newspaper, they shut down immediately. So guys, I'm saying that if you are coming here, follow the rules, follow the footsteps of your seniors, always respect to the culture, because for the culture also here now, if you would, I would say for the all the 5-star hotels, the liquor is allowed. So if you guys are thinking to make your career as a bartender, so you can come and join the 5-star hotel. But so far it is not allowed to the restaurant. So jobs will be limited. And definitely I heard that 2021, mid of the 2021, they will allow some of the restaurant to start liquors. So hope that time the chances will be high for the position of bartender. Rest all, this is I think I summarized whole thing. So anyone have a questions, so they can ask me. So I will reply. Just tell me your name and which year student you are and what is your question. So one by one I will take the questions. So just tell me your name and which year is. Yes.
Yeah, this is Puneet Singh. We
Yeah.
also have some students from different background. We have students from
Okay.
like the business background also. We have students from computer science also. One or two students,
Okay.
those who have joined. Please tell them about their career opportunities in Qatar. Like if the student is doing mass media communication and they are from IT
Okay.
background or from computer business studies background, can they also get chance to make their career in Qatar?
For the business study, yes, of course. Means all the sectors, like I said, only the market is 80 to 90% market for the workers is captured by the expertise. So locals, I said this is 1.5 million. Like all the sectors, I have a friends in the IT. I have seen the Indian doctors, Indian nurses in the marketing sectors also. But if you guys are coming for the marketing sectors, so if you have a if you can take little bit knowledge of the Arabic language, that will be the additional points for you guys. Yeah, work wise, I would say means mostly 80 to 90% people of the Qataris or expertise, they are discussing, or their conversation points is English. Number one is English, but sometime you have to deal with the client, those who are speaking the regional languages. So they prefer, for that reason, for the marketing sector, they are preferring the other part of the Gulf region, like I would say Syrian, Moroccan, Jordanese. So these people have means advantage because they are speaking the regional language. So this is the things, but if you are coming in the supervisory or high level, so I think there is no barrier, but you have to check with some expertise for the marketing reason. For the BBA or MBA student, I would say you guys have a chance. Means you can see where you have done your MBA in the financial sector or which sector. So I would say I have a friends those who have done the MBA and they are working here. So yes, of course, all the sectors are open for the expertise. So this I would say. So IT, yes, India is the hub of IT. So uh, I have seen in which company I worked previously, they have IT also. So 90% of the employee from the India, from India, different parts of the India. So they were working there. So there is I would say means lots of opportunity, and like I said, if the events comes, it is a circle. If tourism boosts the demand of the IT workers or other professional, automatically it will be high in the market. So you guys can check with your friends, or you have some mentors or your relatives or through the agencies or Google. So you will find through the LinkedIn's also people like me, those who are working long times in the Gulf region, so they can help you. Now the media channels or social media or other media, you can find the people, and people they if they need the right candidate, they will definitely will give you the good response. So this is my advice for you guys for accept the hospitality. Okay, Puneet.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Sir, how long can you stay in Qatar? Like, do you get visa for a long time, or you have to get it renewed?
Okay, for the visas, there is no issue. Initially, they are issuing 1 or 2 year visas, so it is extended. Some people, like I said, so many families, they have one generation to the next generation. Okay, so you can say they born and brought up here. I would say they born here and they got their education, and then they move either Europe or back to the India for the education, and then they came back here because they know this place and family is well settled here. So they are coming back here and continue to the work whichever they are specialized. So there is no problem, no harms, means for the government limit for the management level 60 plus can work, but it should be top management position. So and 50 plus can work as a management managers levels, and below that can work means 10 year 20 years till they reach on that retirement age. So I would say if you reached on the management level still 65, you can work, there is no harm.
And sir, how is the pay scale in Qatar? Like most of my students, they want to work in Canada, America, in those countries. I mean,
Okay.
how is like if they start from the low level, how much money they can make and they can save?
Okay, for the if you are going in any restaurant business or hotel business, I will give you the idea, a general idea in the Indian currency. For the basic level, 25 to 30,000. And depend company to company and which position. Like I said, Japanese in high demand, continental in high demand, and if you are belongs to the any chain restaurant, definitely. And if you have a experience of, if you are non experienced, you have only the India or Indian regions, or you worked only the Indian restaurants, like any chain restaurant, and if they hire, minimum salary would be 25 to 30,000, and this almost 90% of the salary you can save it. You can save it here. So there is no tax on the salary and nothing. For if you are planning to go Canada and other part, definitely a long process, requirement is high. So you have to pass to the IELTS exam. You have to show at least 1 to 2 year experience, and the process is also taking time, quite long time, and they are checking also. So, and there is a tax also. So, but there is a one difference, which frankly I'm telling, if you want to live and settled in Canada, it's very easy. Here, you cannot get any PR or anything, only you have to work on a work visa. This is the difference. Otherwise, salary wise or position wise, definitely you can grow in the Gulf region. You can work 20 years, 30 years. You can bring your family, you can settle here. There are all, here is the international schools are there, everything, best transportation, no crime, nothing. You can move freely, means in the country. So salary wise, of course, this is the range, but it could be 40 to 50,000 also if you have a good experience. Yes, Puneet.
And when they selected as a manager and or when they grow, so the salary rises also.
Sorry. Can you say again?
If they get their promotions and they grow, if they
Uh-huh.
reach the manager level and they so the salary increases, right?
Yeah. Each and every contract, suppose you have a 2 years contract, and each year your contract will renew. So they are going to give increment, because the company also has to retain the employee. Okay, I will tell you, if I bring on board one of the guy from India, Nepal, or any other countries, so they came here and they joined. After 1 year, he has a experience, so he can move whether in the Gulf region, or he can go back to the India and work there. So as a company, I spend a lot of money to bring this guy. I spend visa fees, insurance fees, his residence permit fees, his flight ticket, and plus I give his gratuity also. Yearly gratuity is here. Okay. So if I will lose one candidate, I will lose a lots of money. Plus, I spend a lots of effort to on that guy for the training also. So if I will hire similar guy from the outside the India, definitely it will cheap. But if you will see the cost wise you will compare. So I will prefer to the experienced guys. That's why promotion and growth chances are very high in the country. So this all the companies, they are well known about these things. So they will never compromise to lose the guys. That's why I'm saying people are spending 20 years, 20, 30 years. If they are rising, they are growing, and they are earning definitely, and they are living the good lives here. So and most of the companies, they are giving free accommodation and transportation. So whatever salary you are receiving, that's why I'm saying 90% you are going to save the money. Yes, Puneet.
And what about the living condition of the worker? Their houses, their places, are they very nice and clean, neat and clean, or they have to share it with like large number of people?
Okay, for the accommodation now, past 2 years, before the conditions was not that much label. Some people, some companies, those who are low label company, I would not say that all are the companies, but 2 years back there is I mean some companies, those who are violating the rules for the accommodation, they are keeping 3 4 guys with the double bunker bed. But now government has changed the rules. any employees, those who are, means even the housekeeping in my company, they are staying one room, two people only, two people. So not more than two people can stay. The company municipality is going to visit, means sudden visit is there. If any employee make any complaint, so they are going to come and check, and a huge fine on the company to violate the rules. So this is the reason companies are not going to compromise on the accommodation level. So they are giving good accommodation and transportations also. So there is no issue in the accommodations wise, I would say. So this is very good and nice accommodation companies are going to provide. This is I would say, if I will talk about the weather is very hot in the summer. There is only two seasons, summer and winter. Rainy season is nothing, means you can say only 5 to 10 days sometime, and rain is not that heavy. So in the summer, everywhere is the AC, so you guys will not feel. Where you, whatever transport you have your AC on your room, you have your AC in your restaurant where you are working. If you are going to the malls, all fully AC. So there is no problem at all, I would say. Yes. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Puneet. Anyone has any question,
Student, please
or you
feel
have?
free to ask any questions. Students, please ask questions if you have anything to ask. Please ask. So the best advice we can give to our student is whenever you get chance to practice, please practice with your production classes. Please take your ITs and your JTs very seriously. And other groups also, the students working in different courses, they can also
Yeah.
join. They can also go to Qatar or any other countries. And if they need any help, they can always come to us. We will guide them in best possible manner. You can come to your institute, and if you need any help abroad, we know sir like Mr. Balwan sir.
Right.
So we can
Right.
also
Right.
ask them to give you another session. Students, if
Yes.
you have
Yes.
any questions, please ask. Please feel free to ask anyone. HM students, please ask if you have any queries.
Yes, Puneet. Anyone?
Uh, I don't think so.
Okay.
If
So
you want to add anything else, Mr. Balwan sir, for the students.
for the students, I would say, like you said, you have to focus on your studies. Don't think that COVID situation will be forever. No, the moments are coming good, and whether it is good or bad, you have to be face, and get the caliber. Always discuss with your mentors, your teachers, guys. You have a very good team like Puneet, Dhirendra. He worked me in Qatar as a kitchen manager, so I know they have a very vast experience for this industry. So they can guide you. They have a very good references also. So anytime you guys help, so they can help you. And
We
third
also
things,
have we also have
yes, yes,
students from other courses, those who have joined this webinar. The
yes,
students, please, if you have any queries regarding your subjects, regarding your courses, you can also ask. Any student, please.
yes, please. I'm expecting a call, especially the hospitality one. So you guys can ask me the questions. No problem. Any questions. So if it is coming some doubts you have, even it's small, you think this would be a stupid. No, I will not count any questions as a stupid question, because see, today I talked with you guys. It's a good time for me. Like it reminds me my college days, when how I was, means when Puneet and Dhirendra discuss with me to conduct a webinar with the hospitality people. I was very happy, because not only one reason, that the whenever you will reach in my position, or any managerial position, and if you will see a guy who is very new, this guy will reminds you the your memories, what you were doing at that time, how you were. I was same as you guys. I was When I passed out hotel management, that time I was, my level I would say was zero. I count as a zero for my level, because I was fresh. The only success mantra, means even I don't consider myself a very successful, but yes, from the zero level which I reach on this level, I would say the success mantra was only my references, and always I follow the footsteps of my seniors, wherever you go. Suppose you join one company, one restaurant, on one hotels, always follow the good people, what they are doing, how they are doing, talk with them, spend some time. There is no harm to follow the footsteps of the successful people. So this is the things. Never be shy. Always ask the questions. Always ask them, I am facing, because whatever you guys will face the problem, similar kind of the problem we have faced in our life. Okay, so I would say some of the guys, those you guys will maybe you guys are hesitating to ask the questions, especially someone have bad communication English wise. But no harm if you will start with the Hindi. I will give you the answers in Hindi also. See, there is no problem. All the
Yes,
languages are same.
Hello.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, Joshi. Can you tell me your name and your which year student you are?
So Bhaskar Joshi.
Yes, Prabhakar.
No, sir. Bhaskar.
Bhaskar. Okay, Bhaskar. Yeah, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm student of third year,
Okay.
pursuing bachelor in hotel management.
Okay.
Sir, I just want to ask, what are the scope for students who are pursuing their specialization in Indian cuisine?
Okay. For Indian cuisine, I would say, you want to join a hotels or restaurant? Can you answer me these questions? What is in your mind? Because I have to check first your queries. Means you want to join hotels or
Yes,
restaurant?
sir. Hotel.
Hotels. So Indians basically divided into the tandoor and curry section. These are the two important sections, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So which section you are comfortable, or you are planning to
Curry.
move? Curry section. Very good. So if you have a chance to join any good chain restaurant, okay, I would say Kebab Factory. Have you heard this restaurant chain?
Yes, sir.
Okay. There is Asa's restaurant.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the restaurants. If you get a chance to get a job trainee, or any other hotel restaurant chains, you get a chance to enter
Yes,
inside the
yes, sir.
kitchen and work as a job trainee without a money. Even they are giving small money or stipend, whatever. So accept it, because situations are not favorable for you guys. But definitely this time, for the cost wise, if a company will think to hire experienced guys, cost wise it will be very very expensive. So rather than companies are choosing to the new employees like you, if you accept
Yes.
the offer as a job trainee, yes, they will accept you and they will give you chance to work. So once you get your experience 1 or 2 year, so you can move any part of the world. So believe me, you can move within 1 year or 2 year, you can move anywhere. So nowadays cruise has Indian cuisine. Europe, it is famous because Indian, they for the there is a exemptions in the rules for the migrant in the European countries. If you select the UK, they are giving chances to the foreign workers if they are not finding any worker for the related to the Indian cuisine. So they are hiring from the abroad. So there are the chances. So definitely, but first you have to bring the caliber and experience. So with these things, you can move on. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Bhaskar. Any other question? Anyone? Any query?
स्टूडेंट्स देखिए बलवंत सर जो है ही इज़ वेरी बिजी पर्सन, उन्होंने टाइम निकाला है स्पेशली आपके लिए, वो भी कतर से, ठीक है ना। लाइफ देयर द वर्क लोड देयर इज़ वेरी हार्श, ठीक है, वो हमारे जैसे नहीं होता यहाँ पे इंडिया जैसे। तो अगर वो आपको टाइम दे रहे हैं और ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दे रहे हैं कि आप उनसे कुछ पूछिए, तो प्लीज़ कम फॉरवर्ड, डोंट शाय। अब क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहे कि अगर बात करें, अगर अर्जुन जो है श्री कृष्ण जी से सवाल ना पूछता तो गीता का उच्चारण भी ना हो पाता ना।
अरे Puneet sir, yes, you are right. Everyone has his own
अगर
mentor.
अगर आप
Yeah.
सवाल नहीं पूछेंगे तो आप अपने अपने आप को कैसे इम्प्रूव कर पाएंगे। वही बलवंत सर वाली बात क्या है, जब मैं धीरेन्द्र सर और बलवंत सर वगैरह अपने स्ट्रगल पीरियड में थे तो वी यूज्ड टू आस्क लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, हम लोग पूछते थे। आज ही आप देख ही रहे हैं उनको कि हम लोग कहाँ पे हैं। वी हैव मेरे पास खुद 10 इयर्स का अब्रॉड है का एक्सपीरियंस है वर्किंग अब्रॉड। धीरेन्द्र रावत सर के पास है, बलवंत सर ही लिविंग अब्रॉड फ्रॉम लास्ट 17 इयर्स 18 इयर्स वर्क एक्सपीरियंस है। तो ये ऐसे ही हुआ है। यू गाइस, अगर आप लोगों को चुप ही बैठना है तो फिर बाद में मत कहिएगा कि ये क्या हुआ। दिस इज योर टाइम टू आस्क योर क्वेश्चन, ठीक है। जो भी आपके मन में सवाल है प्लीज पूछिए। या बलवंत सर को और भी काम करने हैं वहां पे, इज बिजी।
No.
ठीक है,
So I have
then
means
we can ask
more. I will give you more 5 to 10 minutes. If you have a questions in your mind, you can ask me. Or later on, you have guys your own faculty. They have well experienced, well knowledge. They are very experienced also, I would say. So they can guide you time to time. So especially this reason, I'm long time staying here. So you can ask any question, whether it is weather reports, the climatic conditions, the about the racism also. You can ask me any questions because definitely once you entered in any countries, these things you have to face.
what are the possibilities for mass communication, media people there in Qatar, because we have some people from media background also.
Media, like I said, Puneet, I have no idea from the mass communication. Frankly, I'm telling you. So
Do people they listen radio Hindi
Hindi
songs, because we have so many labor there. We have
yeah.
so many people from India and Nepal. Do you have radios there, radio stations, those who play
Yeah,
Hindi
yeah,
songs?
yeah, yeah. FM. Now you guys won't believe we have almost 5 to 6 FM radio for especially in Hindi. There is a radio for Bengali regional language also, Kerala language also, Tamil Nadu also. Oh my God, there is means Nepali. They just recently launched 6 months back Nepali. So there are means radios you can entertain, can
That
watch.
means these people, mass communication people, also have the opportunities to work in Qatar.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
think yes.
in America and in Canada and England, I know we have more than 200 channels of Hindi in Punjabi alone. Other
Yes.
languages also.
Yes.
In Qatar also. In Dubai, we have 16 to 18 channels in Hindi.
Yes. So guys, you have 5 to 10 minutes more. You can ask me the questions. Anyone, you have a female candidate, Puneet, here to hospitality? Hello?
I think she has not joined, sir. We have one girl.
Yeah.
Yes, she's not available.
Frankly, for the
She's
female.
visiting campus today, so she might be not there.
So, but I would like to tell you guys, please convey this message to the female candidates, whoever belongs to the hospitality or other industry also. I would say lots of females are working here. It is very safe country. Okay, there is no issues. I would say that the girls can freely walk. I have means staffs from Nepal, from India, from Philippines. Means they are going freely. They are traveling with the metros, buses, taxis. There is Uber. You can book online. There is no headache. What will happen? How is the country? How is the people? People can resist you guys. No, this is not like it's very freely country. You have to take just your flight ticket. You will come here and rest. Once you will know the local transport, you can freely move here to there. So no issue. So this experience, you guys means especially for the females. Females are in demand here. Female server, female waiter, waitress, or cooks. Even I have one female cooks in Japanese restaurant. Okay, Punut. Any questions?
Thank you, sir. Yeah, students,
Yeah.
one boy was asking a question. I think I interrupted him in the middle, so you can continue, whosoever you want.
Okay. Okay. Hello. Hello. Okay, Punit. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so I would like to close this session now. So I would like first to thanks to Puneet and Dhirendra who invited me to join this webinar with you guys. I'm really happy today because yes, whatever you guys earn at one age, you guys have to be means you have to give to the others, whether knowledge wise, whether your personal experience or anything. So I would say this is my advice to you guys. You have very good faculty, a good mentors. So keep in touch. Okay, if you guys have in future any help from me, definitely I will help you guys. So
Once again, sir, Balwant sir, I would like to thank you again for giving us time, for giving our students opportunity to know about the Qatar. And I think Virendra Rawat sir want to say something, but
yes,
mic
yes,
is
yes, Dhirendra, yes. Dhirendra, I am speaking always means every week, means I'm
Mm,
getting yes, yes, Dhirendra.
because I'm in home, that's why signal is not proper working. I'm not in
No,
college today.
ah, no problem, no problem. I can hear you.
Okay, because in Meria signal problem is there in Kalurang region.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes.
Okay. Yeah, again, thanks, chef, for
Thank
your
you.
time.
Thank you.
I know you. If you hired some guys from our college, definitely you take interview.
Definitely, like I said, within 2-3 months there would be opportunities. So we will see. Means the freshers we can accommodate in our restaurants. So definitely I will be in touch of you and Puneet. So we will hire the potential candidate. Okay, guys.
okay,
Thank you,
sir.
guys. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
very
Puneet.
much.
Thank you,
Okay.
Dhiren. Thank you,
Okay. Thank
everyone
you.
who
Thank you, sir.
joined me.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.